5 best free poster maker apps for Android. So if you want the 5 best free poster maker apps for your Android, then you need to open up your Play Store at first. If you're using your mobile and if you want it for your Android, then the first application is Canva. You can not only make posters from this application, but you can also edit your photos, your videos. It's an editing photo editor or video editor application. You can also use it for other purposes. Like you can design and edit with AI and thousands of templates for your social media. You will have your videos and you can also add music. You can remove the backgrounds from the photos and videos. You can put your designs in mock-ups and everything. And the second application is Poster Maker. You can search for Poster Maker, Flyer Maker or Flyer Designer, which is this one. This is also the best application. You can create posters easily and quickly. You will have a lot of templates. You can simply choose any template that you're comfortable with and add your information and your poster will be ready. No skills or no designs are needed, and you will have the exclusive font collection. You'll have the media post banner templates, unlimited export and share. It's also the free application. And the third one, we have Poster Maker Flyer Banner. It's also the free best application. You can easily edit. You can remove the backgrounds. You'll have the posters. You'll have the templates. You can simply use the templates and make some posters from this application. And the next one is Promeo. This is also the best poster maker. You can also edit your reels and you can also edit your story from here, but it's also best for the posters. You will have customized templates. You can add your personality to your messaging. You can do the instant cutout in one click. You have unlimited access to your videos, photos, music. You can discover the perfect color scheme. So it's easy to use also. And the last one is Digital Poster Maker. Here you will have the application, which is Digital Poster Maker. You can just simply install it. You'll have the install option. This is also the best application. You'll have 1 lakh plus design poster templates. It's also easy to use. You can create your festival post in just 2 minutes. You can set your company logo and information. You can customize your creative posters. So this is also the best application. That's it. These were the 5 best free poster maker apps for your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.